Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Religion Studies Grade 12. Question: in the context of religion, write facts on clan-based religion. Religion often reflects the structure of the society in which it develops, and one important example of this is a clan-based religion. In this type of belief system, the basic structure is the clan or extended family group, meaning that spiritual life is organized around kinship ties rather than individual choice or large institutions. Worship, rituals, and traditions are carried out collectively, and the identity of the believer is closely linked to the identity of the family group. Religion here is not a private matter, but a shared experience that unites the members of the clan. It is particularly important to recognize that clan-based religion is very strong in African traditional religion, where religious practices and the life of the clan are inseparable. In African communities, spiritual life flows directly from family and ancestral ties. For example, ancestors are often seen as intermediaries between the living and the divine, and rituals of remembrance and thanksgiving are carried out within the clan. This connection ensures that spirituality is not only about worshipping higher powers, but also about respecting lineage, heritage, and the unbroken chain of family life. Through this system, African traditional religion strengthens cultural identity and provides a deep sense of belonging to its followers. Leadership within this system rests on respect for seniority, as the eldest male-female member is generally looked up to as the leader of the clan. This person is seen as the custodian of tradition and is entrusted with guiding both the spiritual and social aspects of clan life. The leader performs or oversees ceremonies, offers prayers to ancestors, and ensures that younger members learn and uphold the values of the group. This leadership role extends beyond ritual duties, as the elder also acts as a moral guide, a peacemaker in conflicts, and a living link to the history of the clan. In this way, spiritual authority and family authority are combined in the figure of the elder. Equally significant is that they promote a communal way of living, encouraging unity, cooperation, and mutual support among all members. Unlike individualistic approaches to religion, clan-based systems stress that the well-being of the group is more important than the desires of the individual. Everyone is expected to participate in rituals, contribute to communal responsibilities, and uphold shared values. This fosters a sense of solidarity where no one is left behind. In many traditional societies, this communal way of life has also served as a survival mechanism, as collective effort ensured food security, protection, and social stability. In addition to these core features, clan-based religions often have rich oral traditions. Stories, myths, and proverbs are passed down through generations, preserving both cultural wisdom and spiritual values. These narratives teach lessons about morality, respect, courage, and responsibility, reinforcing the ethical framework of the clan. Another relevant fact is that such religions adapt to the environment and daily needs of the people, with rituals often linked to agriculture, seasons, and natural cycles. This connection to nature ensures that spirituality is practical, relevant, and deeply integrated into everyday life. Therefore, a clan-based religion is one in which the basic structure is the clan or extended family group, most notably seen in African traditional religion. With leadership entrusted to the eldest male-female member and practices that promote a communal way of living, this system combines family life, culture, and spirituality into one unified whole.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.